The editor is a space where you create projects to generate apps. When you enter the editor for a new project, some tabs appear. Each tab can be dragged and placed in a way that is convenient to work with. Get Started tab has tutorials on using the editor, fabricas, and nodes. We recommend that first-time users refer to the tutorial and test the examples. When you click on the Nodes card, a detailed page appears with a description of the node and an install button. Now let's take a look at the Fabricas tab. Fabricas tab is a space where you set the elements that make up the app. You can check Bootstrap and modules in the first button at the top left of Fabricas. Bootstrap represents the top-level task window where modules created in the project are executed. Modules required for work can be created and edited by pressing the plus button. When you click Bootstrap or module, each canvas pops up. For the convenience of explanation, let's run a public project with some nodes. When you click the play button at the top left of the canvas, the function is executed and the project results appear. Next to the play button, there is a save button, and a button to automatically align the node window to the canvas grid. In the second icon at the top of Fabricas, you can check the setters and getters for each event. When you click on the variable name, the setter and getter input window appears, and when you click on setter and getter, you move to the area on the canvas with the setter and getter window. You can check event, trigger, and listener in the third icon at the top of Fabricas. Similarly, when you click, it moves to each location within the canvas. In the last icon, you can check the details of the node. The property values of each node can be set in the node window, but they can also be easily set here. Next, let's look at the functions of the three icons at the top of the editor. The first icon is a function to manage Git. For Git management, you must save your project first. You can enter project name, summary, public status, images, keywords, etc. You can enter multiple keywords by pressing enter on the keyboard after entering them. Now, let's manage Git after saving the project. Git is a function for collaboration on the same codebase. When you first create a project, a branch called master is created by default. You can also create a new branch by clicking branches. First, let's commit to the default master branch. If you select the commit name and press the button, you can check the commit display and history. The next icon is a button that allows you to search for and apply nodes. You can also search for a specific node, or click Explore to see the entire node. Click on the required node. Click the Free button on the Details page, agree to the terms and conditions, and then go back to the Node Details page and the Install button will be activated. The installed node can now be used in the editor. You can check the nodes related to the file system that you installed a while ago. How to use the canvas, such as connecting nodes, will be covered in detail in another video. The last icon is the widget button. You can think of widgets as tabs that make up the editor. Currently, there are 4 widgets: File, Fabricas, Get Started, and Text Editor. When you click on the desired widget, it will appear in a new window. Finally, once your project is complete, you can publish it as an app via the Express button. The detailed information entered at the Express stage will be explained in another video.